Creating a product on Printify is simple and allows you to sell custom design items without holding inventory. Here's how to do it. Log into your Printify account. Visit printify.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. Choose a product. In the Printify dashboard, click Catalog to browse available products. Select the product category. Click on the product you want to customize. Customize the product. Use the Printify mockup generator to upload your design, logo or artwork. Adjust the placement, size and positioning of your design. Choose product colors, sizes and variations if applicable. Set pricing and profit margins. Printify will display the base cost of the product. Set your selling price to include your profit margin. Publish to your store. Click Save and Publish to add the product to your connected store. If you don't have a store yet, you can save the product for later. Start selling. Once published, your product is available for customers to buy. Printify will handle printing, packing and shipping when orders come in.